Hello everyone, welcome to Ellora's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Today let's check how to make this eggless banana muffins. 1/4 cup of oil and take 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of brown sugar and grind 2 bananas, make a puree and add it to the cake batter. Half cup of curd and 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and whisk for 3 to 4 minutes. If you have electric blender also, you can use that. Now take Maida or all-purpose flour for 2.5 cup. Add baking powder 1 teaspoon and baking soda 1 teaspoon. Add 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder and sieve everything. Mix it once. If you see it's getting a little hard, then just add 1/4 cup of warm milk and make it a cake batter. And if you see it is getting watery, just add some flour and add 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. To get some extra flavor, you can skip that. Add some chopped nuts 1/4 cup, ginger powder 1/2 teaspoon and mix it once. Ginger powder is also optional, you can skip it. Now half fill the cupcake molds. Do not fully cover it, half fill it and add some choco chips for decoration. Tap it well and bake it at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, look how delicious it looked like. And it came out really well. Do definitely try out this recipe. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a very nice day.